So here, this is my AdSense. I can take for the text with the image responsive ad. Here I am taking for get code. So previous we discussed about the how to place the code on your bloggers. Now we discuss about the websites. Now first copy the content here. You go to your website. This is called backend will be called admin panel is there. Log in your admin panel. Just come to in this one services. I can go with this option called is digital marketing, career and job opportunities. See here, right now no ads are there into this option. Yes or no? Now this admin panel, click for login here. So here I'm going to services option. In this one, instead by this option here. Which one? Digital marketing, career and jobs opportunities. Any ads are there here? No. Just click for edit. In this file, we can generate by in this ad will be like this here. Now click for source. Place the code by here. Click for source will be close. What option call is source. No nothing but HTML format. Blogger will be compose and HTML. Here will be source will be enable or disable. Now click here. Click for update. Now here refresh. So we can go with the refresh here. See, I'm going adding the backend here, but still is not active. Take time for your website. If you active any code, they will see will be like this. Go to your blog, ad will be visible by like this. This will be text ad. Just come into footer, text with the image ad. This is only for text ad. This is only for text with the image ad. Once refresh, ad will be changed. Done? Come to header. See here. You can refresh once again. Change. Come into footer. Is the text. Is the display with the text here. Is the text content will be showing for display here. Is it clear? This is the ad appeared on your website. One is called blogger. Second will be called website. Blogger will be HTML. Website will be script.